Here I have VIVO Y17 and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you should open settings, then you should go to this system app settings section, then go to the contacts, and here you can find copy contacts. So we can copy contacts from SIM card. What we're about to do, here you can select them one by one or just select all and then tap copy and select where to, in our case to phone, and these contacts are now on our device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.